Hello again there, friends. Well, just a quick update. The last 2 weeks in my life has been a complete and total nightmare. The power has been off more than it has been on. And if you know anything about me or my work, you know that my work relies 100% on the internet and electricity. Usually, if the lights go out, the work stops. And if the work stops, the money stops. But this time was different. Even while I was sitting in the dark waiting for the lights to come on, my business was still moving forward. It was still talking to people and it was still making sales. This is the power of automation, and it's the only way to be completely and truly free. You see, most people are stuck in a trap. They trade their time for money. If they don't show up for work or if they don't sit at the desk, they're not getting paid. It's like a treadmill that never stops. But when you build an automated system, that system becomes the worker. It doesn't need sleep, it doesn't need coffee, and it definitely doesn't need the power to stay on in my house to keep running on the internet. One of the biggest benefits of automation that I found is that you stop repeating yourself. Think about it for a second. How much time do you really waste doing the same tasks over and over again? Sending out the same emails, answering the same questions, or trying to find new people to talk to. Automation handles all of that. It's like having a version of yourself that works 24/7, 365 without ever getting tired. This is why I focus so much on systems. It's not about being lazy. It's about being smart with your time. When you automate the boring stuff, you get your life back. You can spend time with your family, you can go for a walk, or in my case, you can deal with 2 weeks of power outages without losing your mind or your income. I want to show you exactly how this works. So I've put everything together in a document called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the exact map that I used to set this up, and it's 100% free. And I send it out in the very first email that I send out when you join my list. You don't need to be a tech genius to do this. You just need to follow a simple plan. If you're tired of trading every single second of your time for a paycheck that barely lasts, it's time to build something that works for you. No more repeating work, no more being tied to a desk. Just a system that runs while you live your life. If you want my free blueprint to see how it works, I want to help you get started right now. Just comment the word START below and I'll send you the link to get the free Freedom Formula Blueprint right now. If you liked what I said and it feels like home, then hit subscribe for more daily updates. I hope I'll see you in my next video.